Some of you have submitted your assignment. I see one of the common problem I have observed is the identity column or the primary key is not getting populated. And again, you should not populate the primary key. It should be auto-generated. I'll walk you through the steps. Go into the SQL workshop, get into the object browser, and you come to this particular screen. Click on create table. Then first column we call it as ID, that is the primary key. Number, identity always. Then next one is expense type. Okay, let's put the table name as well. Expense. Then expense type as varchar 200 as width and not null. Then let's move to the next step. Yeah, let me mention that identity column I have taken it as always. Then let's move to the next one. Here we pick populate identity column. On default, it has populated the primary key name, constraint name. Then we'll pick ID as our primary key. Fine. Okay, populated by identity column. This particular column got automatically populated. Primary key is as ID. When you go next, let's keep going next because our focus is just to show the identity column thing. If you see the SQL, it says that ID number generated always as identity. Means Oracle is taking care of creating auto numbers for you. So you need not have to populate this column. You have to only focus on populating the expense type. This column is auto populated because it's a special column and it is called as identity and generated always. Fine. Let's go ahead and create this table. Now let's add some data to that. Insert row. See, not available to insert means identity column. It will be automatically managed by Oracle. It will insert the numbers in a sequential fashion. So we only need to specify expense type. Let's say it is travel. Create this record. You see this number got automatically populated. Fine. Let insert the second row. This time we will call as another expense like okay, this time we will call as I think we picked travel in our first one. Fine. This one we will call as, let's say, food. Okay. Fine. You see this number got automatically generated 1 and 2. Fine. Okay. Now when you create a form out of this, so you need not have to focus on entering this value. It can be a hidden value. Clear. And only you need to provide is travel type of expense. Fine. Give a try. Let me know. Create a form.